Good morning, friends. Raju here. Today I will give you the business plan of Tax Money, innovative ways of earning for your generations, a next generation business opportunity for all of the world. I am saying you this is now it is the opportunity in India. I guarantee you this will be the opportunity in global very soon because this is the first platform which is the B2B business portal which is the first in digital platform of India. Digital India first platform B2B is Next Money only. Other all platforms are B2C. Okay. B2C means business to customer and B2B means business to business. Means you can build a business in this opportunity very good for your coming generations, for your dreams, for your passive income. So please follow this instructions, and as soon as I finish this video you go to the details instructions and go to my website page and immediately download this app with my link and with my sponsor name. Also, if you join my team, Pioneer India team, you will get 100%, 1000% success in Next Money. This is my guarantee because I have placed my referrals, my downlines to my system, and we all together promote this system, so we all get the referrals, but we only give 3 referrals. After 3 referrals your rotator link will be stopped. So please follow my website and then come through my website and join this classic opportunity. Now I am starting the business plan. Today here this is his introduction. I think you all know about the introduction, and this is the digitalization, demonetization. After demonetization, digitalization got new birth to the support digital many existing applications like MobiWik, Paytm, Bheem, and many opportunities like Bheem app, UPI, and many things, Google Pay, everything else. They are all B2C apps, and there is the only B2B one. Next Money is only the support digitalization Make India and earning opportunities to get rid from unemployment in India. So B2B distributed model is the first model in Next Money in first time in India. Their vision is to have the open bank wallet and provide lots of financial e-commerce businesses and financial services in the near future by the B2B model, so we can increase independent earners through India and in future abroad also. This is the all necessary transactions in one platform. You will get all the things here. If you want to pay your bill, if you want to pay your insurance, if you want to pay any hotel bill, if you want to pay Amazon, if you want to pay any shopping portals, you can pay through Next Money and get the earnings in your pocket. This is the basic thing, basic vision. All platforms under one roof, Next Money, you can get a very good earnings. Strength. This is the strength which Amazon startup program held at Bangalore. They were the finalists shortlisted as rewarded, and also Bangkok startup prime minister also gives the emerging startup award, and similarly Dubai Leadership Federation also give an startup app innovate startup app reward to Mr. Abhishek, and Karnataka government also give the startup support to the Abhishek, and shortlisted as a potential startup in Bihar. And also in 3 months of launching, 58,000 registered distributors will be there to load this app. Similarly, this is going on in India: Pune, Mumbai, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Delhi, Punjab, Chennai, Bangalore, Rajasthan, etc., and growing rapidly day by day. This is the opportunity which will give you generation incomes. These are the features which will be given in the Next Money, and many more than this. This is only the system which I am showing to you, but there are many other system portals where you can pay through Next Money. Like this, you get the 2% cash discount and also money back. Also in this system, DTH privilege card, data recharge, insurance, water bill, mobile recharge, hotel booking, holiday booking, home day booking, movie bookings, 5 to 15% cashbacks, bus tickets, train tickets, flight tickets, 5 to 15% of cashbacks, cab booking, bike booking, domain hosting booking, 5 to 15% of cashback, hotel booking 5% cash discount, and cash bookings also. Reward points also you get on this. All reward points and cash bonuses and cash discount you can use in the bill payments and everything else. You have to be a Prime member. For Prime member you have to pay only 1500 plus 270 rupees GST, and that you get the 1500 reward points back to your back office, by which you can pay your bills and you can use them in the recharge also. In some percentage you can use, you cannot use a single amount of 1500 in a single bill, but in systematic way you can use them. Now in domain hosting and bill 10 to 20% cash bonus. Shoppings you can get at Amazon, Flipkart and every other shopping portals. You can get 3 to 75% cash discounts, cash bonuses. All local merchants and local services which are joined with the Next Money distributorship, you can get 8 to 40% reward points uses. Free services are there, means the transaction portal, when you pay your electricity bill, when you pay your gas bill, when you pay your postpaid bill, there is the surcharge amount which is going on the transaction portals. Now here you will get free services, also reward points from these bills. Okay, what you will get in the 1500 plus 270 rupees GST in Prime membership, you get that 1500 reward points which can be used in all the system, which I have told you earlier. How can you use that 1500 reward points? Okay, ways of earning is saving is earning, means if you are paying your bill, if you are paying your any insurance premium, if you are paying any system from your Next Money app, you are saving by the reward points, you are saving by the cashbacks. And referral program also there by level plan, into 10 levels, unlimited levels there is a referral plan, but up to 10 level I can explain you. Self royalty is also there, company royalty is also there, and repurchase income is there. Auto binary system is also there. Now the company has introduced the debit card also, debit card by which you will, if you will refill your vehicle by diesel and petrol, you will also get the money back, cashback and reward points. Saving is earning, as I said you, when you pay your all the things, all bills and everything else, you save more and earn more. Referral income, it is a very good income. When you join the Next Money by Prime membership, there are, if you refer 5 persons under you, and if you can't refer, you have to join only Pioneer India team, where you will get 3 referrals by each and every person working. We will also help you, you will also help us, and other appliance will also help us to help you to get the 3 referrals. But after 3 referrals you have to refer 2 persons by your own. If you get 3 referrals you also can earn very good. And in 5 referrals you are getting, 1 minute, I stopped this phone so I can explain you. In 5 referrals you get 300 rupees, means 20% of that cost which is you have paid for the Prime membership 1500 rupees, you will get 5 into 300 means 1500 rupees from referrals. 5 referral, first level plan. Second, how to refer, you can refer by the Next Money app. You have to download Next Money app by my page, my website page, passivedreams.com/Next Money. You will get all the all information there, and by there you grab it now page. At the end of the page you will get the grab it now button. There you will click, you will get the app reference. Also your link will also place to that rotator, so you can also get the referrals from that page. You have to promote that page. Also you can say to your neighbors, say to your friends, and share your referral links to them, so they can also join by you and use their Next Money services, so you can get the money from them. They will also earn the money, and you will also earn the money as they will use, and they will pay the systems and portals. Okay, these are the systems. Second way is refer a friend. I have said you, and refer a friend. And third way, you can share your referral links through Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. There are many social portals where you can promote your links. Okay. The basic way is to promote is only by my website passivedreams.com. You can also get a opportunity, a passive income, 100%, 1000% success. Now, income plan, you will earn up to 10 levels at your referral income. First level, 5 persons, you will get 300 rupees from each, 1500 rupees in your wallet. Second level, you will get 25 persons. As each person takes the 5%, then there are 25 persons. From each you will get 30 rupees, then 750 rupees, second level. Third level you will get 525 rupees. If each person get the 5%, there are 125 persons. And from each you get 45 rupees. Similarly, fourth level you get 625 persons. You get from each 60 rupees, then 37,500. Fifth level, it's a very good level. Fifth level, you get 3125 persons, and from each you get 75 rupees. It is total 23 lakhs 4,375 rupees. On sixth level you get 15,625 persons. From each you get 90 rupees, means 1 crore 40 lakhs 6,250 rupees. Similarly, at seventh level you get 8 crore 20 lakhs 303,125 rupees. At eighth level 4.7 crores. At 9th level 26.5 crores, and at 10th level you get 146 crores. Total you will get at 176 crore rupees in your wallet if you get 100%, 1000% success. This is only and only possible with this Team India, Pioneer Team India only. You go to my website passivedreams.com/next money. Only and only Pioneer team can give you the success. Nothing else can give you the success. After level 10, the projection, if we 100% get the success, there is 175 crores rupees. And if you get 50% success, you get 83 crores rupees. If you get 10% success, you get 17.5 crore rupees. And only if you get 1% success, then you get 1.75 CR, means it is a very big income. Also, if you get 1% success in your wallet, self royalties there. When you sponsor 5 persons, your team is 5 persons, and incentive will get you 1% loyalty will be extra for you as a silver level. When you get 5 referrals direct, and you will get your team have 5 referrals direct, and 25 persons are there, you will be the gold. 6 and incentive will be 2%. And there, if you are 5 gold in your team and you have 125%, you are diamond. 3% royalty is there. Company royalty, if you achieve the level of 625%, company royalty starts. And repurchase income is a very good income. When you purchase, when your downline and everybody purchases in the system and the team, the reward points and the cashback income is distributed in all over the team up to 10 levels. Likely, if your team are doing transactions are getting 1000 cashback, the 25% rupees 20,000 will be distributed to 10 levels, means 2500 to each and every one person. Okay. Now, merchant royalty, it is a very good royalty system. If you avail any merchant through the Next Money distributors, and merchant need to give some discount to our distributor when he is listed his business and extra business opportunity as a resident merchant or services, only he has to give 10% discount. It is distributed in 4 parts. Now it is the 5 parts: 7.5, 1% and 0.5% and 0.5% and 0.5%. How? To customer, to referrals, to upline, to company and the distributor. Okay. And future planning, there are many things with the Next Money programmers, Next Money software designers, app designers. They will design the app where you will get all the platforms under one roof. The 100% digitalization app provider. In the time coming, they are giving you many technologies under one roof. I guarantee you this is the opportunity where you will get the lifetime income, the next generation income. Your generations will remember you what you have given to them. So my dear friends, don't miss this great opportunity, and under description you will get my links and all the description about this company, detailing descriptions will you get in the video. Under video, my number is under video. There are the awards and recognition which I have discussed you in previous awards and recognition. Dubai, Bangkok, this is the woman who gets the woman reward also, best woman reward, digitalization woman, like this you can see it. Achieve Digital Woman Award, Global Leaf Award, and this is the Next Money Achievers. These are the professionals, and thank you for being with us. This is the Next Money opportunity, innovative way of earning. I will end this video here. Remember, my dear friends, don't miss it. Thank you very much.